I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: original NID or passport, the phone IMEI, and an active SIM. First, check IMEI via *#06# and write it down. This proves device identity. Next, log into the Btrc portal or prepare the UST path. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, authenticate with your NID number and the SIM's mobile number so the system links ownership correctly. Doing this now avoids rejection later. Now you submit the detailed registration form. Enter IMEI, NID, mobile number, and device make precisely. Small typos cause delays. Then upload legible photos of your NID and purchase proof when requested, because Btrc uses them to verify ownership and legality. After uploading, review everything and proceed to payment if a fee applies. Make sure the confirmation screen shows a reference number. That number is your proof, while the system processes the entry. To finish, confirm registration status and retain the reference number for records. You should receive SMS or email confirmation. If you don't, log in and check the application status. If the application is rejected, compare the IMEI and NID submitted versus the device paperwork. Mismatches are the most common cause. If issues persist, contact Btrc helpline with your reference number so they can trace the application. Doing this speeds resolution and prevents service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.